Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the perfect Barbie beach outfits inspo or dress to impress with the simple pieces and bright colors. I'm going to show you how to nail the look from the perfect sun outfits to the cutest heels. So let's just get started. First, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. Here, I'm using this hair from the Petal Updates and also this updo. And this is the color that I use. For the flower hair, you can toggle it into back and remove the flower. Now, let's just go to the summer section in here in the main area and put on this items right here and change the polka dot color to white and the bodies into this blue color. Leave the rest as it is, and I'm going to put on this color on the hair to get into type 2. Change the color into soft pink color, and let me grab this, put it into unheld, and grab this bag, change the bow color to this pink colors right here. And then I'm going to use this glasses to lead into a buff hat and change the frame color into pink. Okay, now you can just go in here and go to the dressing room. On the code items, you can put on this dress to go it into top only. Change the first color to blue, and the second and the third I'm going to use the pink color. And let me grab this necklace right here and change the color to white. And these eyelashes, number 1. Just go to the currency item tab and put on this dress, toggle it into skirt only, and I'm going to change the color into pink like this. And I'm going to go to the Valentine updates and put on this bracelet as the accessory and change the color like this. So this will be the final look. Sorry, I forgot to put on this something here. And that's it. This will be the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next video.